Today on CJ Off-Road, we're going to improve the lighting of our new JL Wrangler. The factory headlights in your new JL Wrangler are a bit dim and can use some upgrading. So today we're going to look at these Oracle LED headlight lamps in the 6500K color fitting your new 2018 Jeep JL Wrangler. These LED headlights feature a 4,000 lumen light output to drastically improve the lighting on your JL Wrangler. They feature a smaller bulb design to easily fit inside the housing, as well as the proper H13 plug to get them right onto your new Jeep. They have an IP65 waterproof rating to let you know that they'll be great on the trail and last for many years to come. Today we're going to get them installed on our new 2018 Jeep JL Wrangler. To get this installation started, we've already popped the hood and we're going to remove the grille here. It has 6 push pins at the top, just like the JK, so let's get started. The first push pin to remove is right over here. We're going to use a flathead screwdriver, pull the inside of it out towards you, just about halfway, and then we'll grab the inner part of it out. Make sure you store these in a safe place. With all of the push pins removed to the top, the grille is now free up here. However, there are a few retention clips towards the bottom. If you pull the grille straight out towards you, you can get it free. Now you can remove the grille. Unlike the JK, there are 3 10mm bolts that hold on the headlight housing. So one up top here at the left, one over here, and then one down below. We're going to get those pulled out, that way we have access to the back of the housing. Go ahead and pull the headlight housing out towards you, and we're going to disconnect the wiring harness. We have the factory headlight assembly here on the table, and in order to get the old bulb out and replace it with the LED, we have to go to the back here and twist this counterclockwise, and that'll give us access to the bulb. There's a little gray push pin, you have to pull that out towards you, and then push on the inside of this darker gray, and the clip will come right out. Now in order to get the headlight out, you have to twist this counterclockwise, and pull it right out towards you. Now we can plug the H13 connection in, and we'll put the little gray clasp down, and before we put the bulb into the housing, we're going to tuck all this away inside here. Then you're ready to put your bulb in. Twist it around and you'll feel a slot that it drops into. And then you'll tighten it clockwise. We'll get this tucked in there too. It looks a little bit tight with all this, but this will allow us to get this cap back onto the housing to make it completely waterproof. Now you're ready to put it back into the Jeep. Go ahead and plug in your factory connection. And then we're going to put it back into the factory location. There's a little guide on this one here to get it in the right spot. You can reinstall the hardware now. Reinstall your 3 10mm bolts. Repeat the same process on the other side, and then we can go ahead and reinstall our grille. As you can see here, we have a side-by-side comparison of the factory bulbs and our new Oracle LED lights. The Oracle lights are much brighter and more crisp, and I think they look really great on the Jeep. We're about 15 feet away from the wall here. The Oracle's on the left, and as you can see, it's a much whiter light. It's got more crisp cutoff lines, and it just looks better. Once you have both lights installed, you can reinstall your grille. Reinstall all 6 push pins, and your installation is complete. We just finished up the installation of the Oracle LED headlights on our 2018 JL Wrangler. They look really great, they're a huge upgrade over the factory lights, and you only need a flathead screwdriver and a 10mm socket. Now you can find these LED headlights as well as many other great parts for your new 2018 JL Wrangler right here at cjponyparts.com.